Title: The Lifestyle of the Earl of Dufferin. Opening scene, narrator's voiceover with visuals of the grand estates and aristocratic lifestyle. Narrator: The Earl of Dufferin, a distinguished figure of the 19th century, led a life of grandeur, diplomacy, and refined taste. Born into Irish aristocracy in 1826, Frederick Temple-Blackwood, the first Marquess of Dufferin and Ava, inherited a legacy of nobility in public service. His lifestyle reflected a perfect blend of political acumen, intellectual pursuits, and aristocratic leisure. Scene transition, visuals of Clandeboye Estate in Northern Ireland. Narrator: His primary residence, the Grand Clandeboye Estate in Northern Ireland, served as a symbol of his family's heritage. Set amidst sprawling gardens, the estate was a hub for political discussions and literary gatherings. Dufferin's keen interest in architecture and landscape design was evident in the carefully curated gardens and lavish interiors, where he hosted dignitaries, writers, and fellow statesmen. Scene transition, a study room filled with books and letters. Narrator: As a man of letters, Dufferin was deeply engaged in literature and writing. His travel memoir, Letters from High Latitudes, documented his Arctic journey, showcasing his adventurous spirit in eloquent prose. He was a prolific correspondent, exchanging thoughts with influential figures of his time. Blending diplomacy with literary expression. Scene transition, diplomatic settings, grand halls, and banquets. Narrator: Dufferin's lifestyle extended far beyond his estate. As a seasoned diplomat, he served as the Governor-General of Canada, Viceroy of India, and Ambassador to France, among other prestigious roles. His tenure in these positions was marked by elaborate state ceremonies, cultural patronage, and refined hospitality. Grand banquets and royal receptions were a common feature of his diplomatic engagements, where discussions on governance and global affairs took place over exquisite cuisine and fine wine. Scene transition, a ship sailing across the ocean. Narrator: Travel played a vital role in his aristocratic life. From Canada to Egypt, his journeys were filled with opulent stays, official engagements, and explorations of diverse cultures. Whether attending imperial courts or overseeing colonial administration, his presence commanded respect and admiration. Scene transition, a quiet study with a writing desk and a candlelit room.